it's most important to put your hair up. Before cooking, always wash your hands to prevent contamination. Remember to wash dish towels regularly and let them dry before using again. Remember to put on sanitary because damp and dirty cloths are the perfect place for germs to spread.
Always wash workplace with soap or disinfectant before cooking. Clean in circular motion.
When dealing with raw meats, never use a wooden cutting board since it will pick up the moisture. Always use a plastic cutting board.
If you have any cuts or wounds, make sure to apply plastic gloves before working in the kitchen.
When dealing with raw meats, always remember to refrigerate and put in bottom shelf of refrigerator to avoid leaks.
Always keep your fridge below 5 degrees Celsius so that the foods don't spoil.
Always go by best before dates and throw out old products even if they look and smell okay. Now you have a safe environment to start your cooking.
And you don't have to worry about food poisoning.